This is AI Scope, your front row seat to the AI revolution. Every week we explore powerful AI tools, uncover hidden features, and see if they truly deliver. If you want smarter tools and smarter decisions, you're in the right place. Imagine creating a video just by typing a sentence. No camera, no editing, just a prompt. That's exactly what this AI tool does. It's called Runway ML. Let's test it. Inside Runway, you can enter a text prompt describing the scene you want to generate. For example, I'll type a cinematic drone shot of a futuristic city at sunset. Now the AI starts generating the video. After a few seconds, we get a short clip created entirely by AI. What's impressive is that the tool tries to understand the style, lighting, and movement from the prompt. You can also experiment with different prompts. For example, a robot walking through a neon cyberpunk street, or a calm beach at sunrise with cinematic lighting. Each prompt generates a completely different video. Of course, the technology is still evolving, so the results are not always perfect. But compared to where AI video was a year ago, the progress is incredible. Tools like Runway are already being used for creative projects, social media content, and even early film concepts. So while it won't replace traditional video production yet, it's opening a lot of new possibilities. If you want to experiment with AI video generation, Runway is definitely one of the most interesting tools to try. And if you want to see more AI tools like this, make sure to follow AI Scope.